Hello, this is Yashikase, and welcome to the Yashikase Kit Collection Show here in Oli at PMST, Nepal. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you click on the bell icon below. Alright, thanks and enjoy the show. The 2014 Nepal cricket shirt, the shirt that they donned during their first qualification of the T20 World Cup in Bangladesh. This was purchased directly from Nepal. I guess this is a local brand, RS Sports or BS Sports. But aside from that, nice little design. Love the Rhino logo. Glad that they're building a good structure within their cricket association and players. Pretty decent shirt. I like it. Like the colors. It's great. Here we have the 2002 Ecuador Home kit made by Marathon, used at the 2002 World Cup, when they qualified for the first time at the World Cup. So it's a very historical moment and a classic kit at that. Marathon, which is based out of South America, they make various shirts for various national teams. But just basic quality kit at the time, basic material. Nice little puffy rubbery badge there. First time I've seen that. Not sure if any other teams at the time utilized this type of material for their badges. Haven't seen it around lately, so if you have, let me know in the comment section and let me know below if you know any other teams that use this kind of rubbery patch. But that's the 2002 Home Ecuador kit by Marathon. Next up is the 2010 Puma Bahrain Home kit. Full embroidery badge here, as well as the logo, collar, some gold trim, breathable material within the kit. The seams and the sole go into the front of the kit and into the back, so it could help the player a little more while playing. The collar shows the Bahrain flag, which is a nice touch. Breathable material, not a bad build quality by Puma, especially since this is probably a replica or probably the same that the players use. But there you have it, 2010 Home Bahrain kit by Puma. Next up is the 2008 Singapore Home kit by Nike. Pretty basic stuff from Nike. Material's not bad. A little breathable. Printed items for the Nike badge and the Singapore kit, from the Singapore flag. Aside from that, Singapore on the collar, inside the line in the collar. Simple kit, nothing much. 2008 Nike Singapore kit. Next up is the 2010 Morocco Home kit made by Puma. Full embroidery badge as well as the logo. What's nice about this is the special breathable material that almost looks like a net. A very hollow mesh feel to it. Solid on the front. The seams go to the back. Breathable material on the back. And that's about it. And the Moroccan flag symbol here on this part of the shoulder, and used at the 2010 Africa Cup of Nations as well. 2010 Morocco kit by Puma. Next we have the 2011 Zanzibar kit by Hummel. Very limited quantities were made of this. Zanzibar is not a FIFA nation, but a CAF nation. Not only was it limited quality, but it's an amazing shirt, amazing build quality by Hummel. Leopard prints here, you can see, and the leopard face. Embroidery badge, not fully, so much better compared to the other kits. Very memorable kit and very nice, hard to find, classic. Definitely on the top list of the best kits. So that's your 2011 Hummel Zanzibar kit.